Hey Bryant, this is Scott Walker with Impact Latent SEO from BNI. We just spoke on the phone, and I'm making this video to kind of show you what I do and how I can possibly help you and your business. I usually start with your website. I talk about Google Ads, the Google Business Profile, and like things that your competitors are doing and things like that. So first off, it looks like I'm meeting you right here, just because you have so many photos. I'm pretty sure that's you. And one thing that I really like right here, that's pretty sweet, 2,500 people and 6,000 glasses replaced, and that's awesome. But one thing I would really recommend for your website is to add more content. And the reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. For you, like windshield replacement, Columbia, South Carolina, that would be a buyer intent keyword. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying Rosario auto glass image 1024 by 1024, that could also say the same buyer intent keywords because it's embedded behind the photo for you. So I do use a tool called Ahrefs. It's just a third-party tool. It shows me where you're setting and give me your analytics. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while balanced. And you're currently at 0 because of your referring pages and domains. And if you don't know what those are, it's when they're backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and your location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 8 keywords, and you're getting 0.01 traffic to your website each month. So your website's acting a lot like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool instead. And so these are the keywords that you're being indexed for. Auto glass repair, South Carolina. There's 100 searches a month, but you're on the 4th page, so nobody's seeing you for that. Windshield replacement, there's 200 searches. So just between those two, like 300 people each month. Or glass repair, that could be residential, so that's not the best, but this one for sure is a great one because those people are looking for replacements in that area, and that's a lot of searches. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I'm talking about. And so I did just do windshield replacement, Columbia, South Carolina. And right here is the Google Ads. This is where I've helped a lot of auto glass companies, and there's a few things that you want to do. So for starters, I looked up windshield replacement. It doesn't even say windshield replacement in this ad anywhere. I know it's Safelite and they have a lot of, ad spend and whatnot. But when you're competing just against Safelite, that means good things for you because then people are going to be going to yours instead of theirs. So, but yeah, so having the keyword windshield replacement and then Columbia, or if it's part of a county, something at least to let you know that you're in the right area, and then also grouping up your ad groups into different themes. So like windshield replacement and auto glass replacement would be different, and windshield replacement and windshield repair would be different. So that's great ways to get a good click-through rate. The other way and then for converting on your landing page, you always want to have like a click to call right up top. You'll have maybe a form submit right here, what you do, where you do it, if you have any promotions, and like a picture of the background. So like you would want like windshield replacement happening in the background. And the reason for that is a landing page is different than a website because a landing page should be one function of them contacting you. Whereas a website, you can kind of click around, check out the business, things like that. So that's the Google business, or that's the Google Ads, excuse me. And I just looked up windshield and auto glass right here, and just for Columbia, this is the city. This isn't the greater, complex or whatever. 720 searches each month for windshield replacement, and then another 320. So you can see there's thousands of searches each month. And by being in front on top of this page right here, besides Safelite, that means that you're going to be able to be getting more business just because they're clicking you or you're the only one advertising. So. And then we move down into the Google Business Profile. It's okay that you're not here. There's lots of different ways to get there. The first, to make sure that your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. The next is to get reviews. And I have a little trick for that, so I'll tell you that when we do our one-to-one. But the reviews are really helpful. And then putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is helpful. Because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile and ads, about 70% of the people who are searching for this term will stop up here. So the rest is going to be to your website, to websites, I should say. And it looks like Century Glass South Carolina is one of the top competitors. And looking at their website, I mean, they have a little bit more content than you, but not much. They do have a lot more backlinks and citations, and they do have that scaled. So, I mean, like, they're pretty good for getting traffic to their website. But when you start to outrank your competitors by having the buyer intent keywords with the authoritative backlinks and citations, percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. And as you can see, just in these top three, windshield repair, auto glass repair, and windshield replacement, all in Columbia, South Carolina, there's almost 400 searches. So if you're in front of 400 searches each month, you're going to be getting some good revenue from those guys. So I hope this was beneficial for you, Brian. I look forward to our one-to-one, and I'll get this to you as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye.